Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And this is our weekly recipe video. And what are we cooking today?
This is a crispy Parmesan Brussels sprouts.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, so this is a new recipe for us. It's roasted Brussels sprouts, which isn't new, but the way that they said to make it is different. So we're going to try this, and if we like it, we may be using it for Thanksgiving dinner. So oddly, it says to put down parchment paper, but it also says to spray it with cooking oil. So we're going to do it. We're going to follow that. You may need the oil to keep the Parmesan cheese from sticking to it. Okay, so now we're going to sprinkle the Parmesan cheese all over the parchment paper, and it's a whole cup of it. And then we're just going to place our Brussels sprouts down, cut side down. I moved some of the cheese over because this was supposed to be for 1.5 pounds of Brussels sprouts, and it's probably only 1 pound. But anyway, the next thing it says to do is to spray the tops with a little olive oil. Now we're going to season it with a little salt and black pepper. Okay, so now we're going to bake these for 20 minutes. And then we'll see if they're ready.
All right, so here's the finished product with the Brussels sprouts and the cheese.
Yeah, you know, like if you were doing it for Thanksgiving, you could probably put it in a serving dish that looked a little better than just throwing it on a plate. Yep. And, you know, like maybe break off some of these pieces of cheese, unless you just want to, because I don't know how that could make it worse to have the cheese on it. That's got to be good, right?
Taking the cheese off would make it worse.
I just meant the end pieces, like this piece right here.
Yeah, don't do that. That's still good.
Yeah, still good. Okay. All right, let's do this. I knew I'd like that. How could Parmesan cheese not do anything but help it?
Well, I agree with that, but it needed a lot of help to begin with.
No.
Brussels sprouts, come on.
No, Brussels sprouts roasted are very good. I don't like them boiled or anything, but roasted, yes, very good.
As long as it's got that little kind of burn taste to it, I'm good.
Yeah.
It's not too bad. Not a lot of flavor to it. I mean, it's, you know, little baby cabbages, so
yeah,
that's what they look like.
But the cheese brings it up a level.
Yeah, it brings it up a little, yeah, I'd say that.
And I think that it would be a really good thing to have on Thanksgiving Day. So if you're considering it,
there you go.
I think this is a good recipe. We will link it down in the description so that you can see just how the recipe creator made it.
Yep, okay? And drop us a comment below. Let us know what you think about it. And if you try the recipe, let us know that. If you're going to try it, if you tried any of our recipes, you can let us know in the comments below. Also hit us up on the gram at the Long Run with Joel and Christy and let us know that there too. We'd love to see the pictures of your of all your dishes. All right. If you got a dish you'd like for us to try, drop that in the comments below with a recipe link, and we'd love to try that. Within reason, there are some things that we don't eat, but you know.
Also, if you have already started working on your Thanksgiving meal plan, which we have. Go ahead and tell us in the comments what you're planning on making.
Yeah, all right.
You might give us an idea.
There you go. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and sometimes on the weekend. You just never know when we're going to drop one in there. With that said, I think that's going to do it today for the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.